So let's say that you didn't really want to put the little channels into the ceiling itself. And so you can actually do it in the detail. So if I come in and go to my annotate and, or sorry, the insert and load Autodesk families, let's go to all results. So we kind of, let's get rid of suspension up here, right? And so if we go to the detail items, if we're looking, you have like general concrete, masonry, metal, you have like metal fasteners. So they'll go in and give you bolts. I'll go back to all results and details again. And if you scroll down and keep going, you should get to division 9, right? Which is finishes. And so if you go to finishes, you can, this is where you're going to get a lot of the stuff that you need. So you're going to see supports, non-structural, right? Plaster. And you can see a lot of other things like gypsum board, ceramics. Like if you go to tiling, it'll actually give you tile sections, bull noses, and things like that. If I go back to finishes and go to these non-structural supports, you can come in and you'll actually get furring channels and things like that. So let's just say this is an interior metal runner, right? And if I this guy, you can see this is the top of it, this is the side of it. So if I go to this guy and load that, it'll actually load that, and then I can again go to my annotate tab and my component, detail component. Sure, I'll save the project. And it will almost always load the last component. So you can see there's the interior metal runner side, right? And you can see it's set at the 5 and an 1, 5 and an 8. So if I pick that and bring it out, I can left click and it will actually drag this guy and draw it across. So you can see it's just drew it, and I can actually just kind of move it, out of the view and then move it kind of down, where if that's the suspension system, then it would be there. And then you would have to adjust these guys shorter, if they were actually connecting to that. So you can actually do things like that as well.